Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing some satisfying apps from the App Store, and you can see the names of the apps on this screen. So there are going to be 5 apps in total, and let's start with the first one. So the first app is called Bubble Wrap Popping, and as the name suggests, you have to pop the bubbles. So they give you like this bubble wrap sheet, and then you have to pop the bubbles, and it creates those sounds like a normal bubble wrap would. So in my opinion, this was a pretty cool app because the sounds were quite realistic, and you can also adjust the size of the bubbles, so you can make it into smaller bubbles or larger ones. And there's also this feature like the swipe mode, and then you can swipe on the screen and then the bubbles will pop themselves. Or you can disable that mode and then you can pop each bubble separately as well. So overall, I would give this app a 3 out of 5, which is not bad at all, and it's quite nice actually. So the next app is called Super Slime Simulator, and I'm pretty sure that most of you have heard about it, and if you haven't, I'll just give you a brief overview. So in this one, you have to make your slime. You can choose the texture. It gives you a variety of texture, and then you have to add the ingredients, and then you have to also choose the color and the add-ins and stuff like that. And now you just have to pour in the ingredients, and then you have to swipe on the screen to mix the stuff, and then you have to add your coloring. So for me, I just swiped to see the colors first, and then I chose black. Even while you're mixing the ingredients, it creates those cool sounds, and then you can enjoy the ASMR at that point as well, but the actual ASMR comes at the end. Next, you have to add your add-ins. The app also gives you an option to skip that part if you want to leave your slime as it is, but I chose to add glitter and hearts. Finally, you have to name your slime, and the app also gives you an option to skip this part as well if you don't want to name your slime, just want to play with it. But I chose to name it and gave it the name Pinkie Pie because I added pink, glitters, and hearts, and then you have to finally play with your slime. So I found this app quite satisfying, and I enjoyed playing with the slime too. So overall, I would give this app a 4 out of 5, and I deducted 1 star mainly because it didn't come with bubble pop sounds. So the next app is called Samar Slicing, and this was probably my favorite app out of the 5. And as you can see on the screen, you have to cut kinetic sands, and it gives you a variety of shapes, and the colors are also vibrant. Talking about the satisfying parts, the sounds were really good, and the shapes were also like quite unique. And after you cut 3 or 4 shapes, this mystery object kind of thingy is unlocked, and then you can cut that as well. So yeah, these were my views on this app, and I highly recommend this app to everyone out there who's watching this video, especially if you do not have kinetic sand and you cannot go outside and buy it. This app is best for you. And now you can enjoy the ASMR part. And now when you come to the rating, I would give this app a 5 out of 5 because I've said that before that I love this app and I highly recommend it. And here's a little reverse video of the cutting. So the next app is called Perfect Ironing, and as the name suggests, you have to iron clothes. And this was quite satisfying, but not as much as I expected it to be. The iron also creates those cool sounds, so the only downfall for this app was the sound, because it was a bit too loud and wasn't that realistic, and for the sake of the video I've lowered the volume, but actually it was too loud. However, the straightening of the clothes when you iron them and then assembling them this way was quite satisfying. So overall, I would give this app a 3 out of 5. Last but definitely not least, we have soap cutting. So in this app, they give you a carved soap, and then they also provide you with a knife, and then you have to swipe on the screen downwards, and then you cut the soap, and it creates those cool sounds which are quite satisfying, although the graphics and the visual effects weren't as satisfying as the sounds. But I still enjoy playing this game, and I do recommend it to everyone out there. And now you can enjoy the ASMR part. And when you come to the rating, I would give this app a 4 out of 5, and as I said before, I really enjoy playing this game. So this is all from today's video. If you all enjoyed watching this video, and if you want to see more app reviews, then don't forget to like this video. And if you're new to my channel and this is the first video you're watching, then also hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon, and you'll never miss any other upload from my channel. Bye everyone!